Welcome, everybody. This is a time to work on trust. Trust is that element that allows us to take risks. Trust means that the people around us can be a safe harbor for all the things that we need to accomplish in our lives. And so, whether you're new here or you have been familiar with Kundalini Yoga for a long time now, welcome to the practice. Welcome to a practice that can help reroute our nervous system in order to create the kind of life that we really want to lead: open, trusting, heart-centered. And we'll do this through the practice of Kundalini Yoga. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I'm also the lead instructor for YogaVision's Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Program. So if you found that these practices bring you great results, the next step is to dive into teacher training. But let's begin this practice now. Find yourself in a comfortable position. I'm sitting here on the couch. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the floor, in your bed, wherever you can feel yourself with a tall, straight spine, and also that you will be uninterrupted for the next few minutes. So once you've found your seated position, you may want to make it more comfortable by using a small cushion or a block behind your back or underneath your buttocks so that you feel fully supported in the practice. We'll do a tuning in process using mantra to bring our minds into focus, and then a few warm-up exercises to make sure that the body is relaxed enough to practice. So press your palms together now and press your thumbs into the bone of your chest, making a connection between the body as a sensory organ and all the space around you. Gently close your eyes and take a few long, deep breaths. Feel the balance between your palms, balancing both hemispheres of the brain, all aspects of the body, and coming to alertness. We use a mantra now, a sound vibration, to tune in, to call on our highest self, our inner teacher. These sounds are in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Close your eyes now, focus all of your energy inward. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Gurudev Namo. Last time. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. Hold yourself steady. Feel the vibration around you, through you. Feel it connecting all of us who are practicing in this moment, right here and right now. And relax your hands down. Bring your hands all the way down to your knees. Here's a few warm-up exercises to make sure that we can sit comfortably the next few moments. Start with shoulder shrugs, inhaling as you bring the shoulders all the way up, and exhale as you bring them down. Inhaling all the way up and exhaling down. Go at your own pace here, noticing where your body might be holding tension. And do your best now with your exhalation to let all of that go. Choose a pace that works for you. Savor these few moments that you have put aside to practice. And know that it is the element of trust that brought you right here to this channel, to choosing this video, to knowing that something else is required in order to develop these skills, because they are life skills, to be able to sense danger and act appropriately, to understand when you feel safe and to act appropriately, knowing that safety doesn't just come from a lack of threat, but rather feeling connected. Last two, and last one. Inhale very deeply, bring the shoulders all the way up, and exhale, and give that all just a little wiggle. Move your shoulders around. Good. And relax. Take your two fingers now and start tapping just around your heart space. This area here, just behind this area here, is your thymus gland. Thymus gland is one of the regulatory glands of the body, and like all organs in our body, connected to every other element that operates within you. And so as you call this area to attention, your heart, your lungs, your thymus, also calls to attention your kidneys, your liver, your pituitary gland, your pineal gland. Everything now starts to respond. And really what you're drumming in here is everything's safe. I'm safe enough to be more alert. Last few seconds. And press in deeply. Give yourself a little shake out here. Nicely done. We're beginning the meditation now. And so you want to make sure that you have space around you. The meditation uses a mudra. This is the hand position. And a mantra. The mantra is so, 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 so on the inhalation. Hung, 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 hung on the exhalation. I'll be chanting that for you so that you can simply close your eyes and focus in on the sound. Repeat it when you're ready and when you catch a hang of it, but know that we're here together practicing. So begin first with your hand position. So palms are facing forward, fingers are pulled in, making a fist, and the thumbs are pointed directly towards the ears. From here now, lean back as far as you can without losing your balance. So maybe that means shifting your feet or shifting your position just a little bit. Now, focus in right here. Close your eyes. Look towards your nose. Keep your eyes just a touch open. So we're letting in a sliver of light. Looks like this. Good. Close your eyes now. Inhale very deeply. So, 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 so. Exhale. Hung, 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 hung. Let's begin and continue. So, 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 so. Hung, 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 hung. 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 Inhale. So, 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 so. Hung, 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 hung. Keep leaning back. So, 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 so. Hung, 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 hung. 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 Keep leaning back. 1 minute to go. So, 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 so. Hung, 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 hung. So, 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 hung, 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 hung. Last round. So, 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 hung, 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 hung. Beautiful. Inhale very deeply. Hold here. Straighten the spine. Bring your arms all the way up and then give them a little shake. Shake, shake, shake. And then slowly, gently relax your hands all the way down. Press your palms together. Stay here for just a moment. Feel the impact of that gentle, beautiful meditation. Bring your breath back. Bring your mind back. And from here, you can focus on whatever is ahead of you in the day or the evening. But now you know you've taken care of your well-being. You've given yourself a chance to trust that you could hold the posture, trust that you could use that mantra, which, by the way, means the creation is in every cell of my body. We end with a mantra, long sat, short nam. Inhale very deeply. Sa. Na. Please ground yourself, bowing in reverence, bringing your forehead down to your fingertips, to your highest self, to your eternal nature, and to the profound wisdom that brought you right here and right now, making this power move to take care of your mental health. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you want to get in touch, all the links are below the description box, in the description box. And of course, like, subscribe, share, make sure these teachings get out there in the world, because when we have these kinds of tools, we can do better, not just for ourselves, but for the world in general. Until next time, lots of love.